So one of the reasons why I'm a big proponent about why you should hire a pharmacist for your startup is that it's happening. There are companies out there who actually have pharmacists involved. They may be in digital health space or health tech space that have taught and brought on. I mean, that brought on a pharmacist to help them out. So I'll give you some examples. If you're familiar with the digital therapeutic space, for instance, you probably know about the Digital Therapeutics Alliance, which is huge, making a lot of partnerships, making big waves. The person that's kind of running the boat there is the executive director, and that's Megan Coder, who's a pharmacist. And, she's had some interesting different backgrounds. So she did a interesting residency with APHA, which I think helped her get into like the grassroots of like how to be a liaison with different companies and how to be a market strategic leader or alliance generator. And I think it's really paid off for her. She was with Iodine, NEBP. She was with Volantis, and now she's the executive director of the Digital Therapeutics Alliance. I mean, that kind of makes sense when you think about it, because digital therapeutics is kind of like playing with the therapeutic area. So she has all this knowledge about thinking about how do you bring drugs out, and the language and lingo there, especially with talking with the FDA and different organizations and talking to pharma. So she has that skills and abilities. So when you think about that, it's almost like a natural fit. And, if you're playing digital therapy space or like therapeutic stuff, that's kind of cool. I mean, she doesn't have a huge clinical background. She doesn't need it based on what she's doing, but she has the knowledge set. And that to me is like a good example, like what I've been talking about in terms of why you should consider having a pharmacist. Some other ones I'll ping out. We have Kamal Patel, who's a clinical lead at Catalia Health, which is with Mabu, the little robot. I've talked about them in the past, and her background is she was a pharmacist at CVS, some independence, and then she basically turned to like an advisor for different digital health stuff, and then she joined Catalia and serves as a clinical pharmacist for them. So she's taken her knowledge about working in the community, her subset knowledge of clinical pathways, and she's merged that to help and enable Catalia Health kind of navigate this path. I mean, that comes back to what I mentioned about community pharmacists. They are very beneficial for this because they have so many connections, they have so much knowledge about the workspace and the workflow, and they have a clinical background too to help out. So that's another one. And another person I'll highlight is Jaspal Kumar, sorry about that, who's Associate Director of Pharmacy Operations at Proteus Digital Health. So you probably know them for that smart bioadjustable sensor for medication adherence. And she was executive team leader of pharmacy at Target before they got acquired by CVS. And then she went on to basically do pharmacy implementation and became an associate director of Proteus Digital Health. So has basically this background of working in pharmacy. And, if we're talking about adherence, there's someone who recognizes the importance of it for patients and design and such. So you bring it there. I know that other companies in digital therapeutics have brought in different specialty pharmacists, such as substance use disorder people who have background in that, to help navigate or develop their stuff or just bounce off ideas. I mean, I've served as a consultant advisor for a few startups and a few companies just because of my knowledge. It's something that's highly present, very easy to reach out. I think it's just a matter that a lot of tech companies don't realize, as I've been pointing out throughout this whole series, that this is a huge value. So I'm going to wrap up here, and I'll add more videos as time goes on. People will request them. But that's what I kind of leave off, is that it's there, it's available. Pharmacists can serve this niche for you. You just have to think about all the stuff I talked about. What are areas that you may be realizing, wow, I've been asking questions about this. I keep having to reach out to people. I keep having to hire different consultants on. Can I just have someone a part of my team permanently that can help me with all these different issues I'm facing? So with that, this is Timothy Youngstown, Digital Apothecary. I'm going to wrap up for now, and maybe you'll see more videos as time goes on and I get more feedback on this. So take care and thank you.